Hi guys, it's Cat 345MH, just doing an unboxing of one of my new models, the Volvo L70 loader, with attachments in 1/50th scale. So, I also have another model coming, should be here tomorrow or the next day. Here's the loader part of it. You got somewhat smooth hydraulics. Hold on, they're just a little stiff. Alright, they're a lot stiff, but they're still pretty good. I will probably be doing a review on this as soon as I get time. It does go pretty high, which I do like already. I was kind of hesitant with this model because it looks kind of plastic, but there's a bucket attachment with teeth. There's a grapple for logs. It does open up that far. There is forks that do move. There is a handling arm with a hook on the end. It's pretty long. And then, pretty much the main reason why I got this model, because it has a plow that does move from side to side, and there is hydraulics in there. So, I did get it for like 30 bucks. It was pretty cheap, and I like it already. Here's the back of the box. Just shows everything that's happening that this model would be able to do in real life. Pretty easy to unbox. Sorry I haven't had any videos up lately. I will try to get a couple up in the next couple days.